And the best way to do that is through mentorship and through reading and through learning. I know there's people in this room that believe they know everything. And I know that people in their lives know they don't know anything. But it's okay. Catch yourself. Catch yourself creating expectations. And the way to catch yourself, notice when one word slips out. Should. He should be this way. She should be that way. The president should be this way. I didn't say what president. I'm not even talking about the United States. You're just making up stories in your mind. Catch yourself in your automatic. Like you're driving. If you're driving 15 minutes, all of a sudden you're like, oh, well, I'm 3 exits down. That's awesome. But we do that. To have access to freedom and to escape the matrix of your mind means to see what patterns you're automatically running in. And most of the time, they're immediate responses and they're oppositional. And one of the best ways to catch yourself running these automatic patterns, listen for that word, should. And when you say he or she should be a certain way, traffic should be this way. How many of you drive to work in the morning and you're surprised that there are school buses? How many of you would ever consider leaving 15 minutes early? No, but if there's traffic, or if all of a sudden they're doing construction, like how dare they actually use our tax dollars for something, you get upset. Break your pattern. Wake up for the rest of your life 15 minutes early. And the most important thing, as you say, he should be this way, she should be this way, you should all over everyone. Should, S-H-O-U-L-D. So stop shoulding all over yourself. Stop shoulding all over your kids. Stop shoulding all over your parents, your spouses, and be empowered and know that these patterns just exist because they started somewhere. So you can break yourself out of the pattern